clean, safe drinking water is a must-have for every RV trip. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best RV water filters available on Amazon to help keep your water fresh and contaminant-free. Starting off strong, we have the CAMCO TASTEPURE RV water filter. This is hands down one of the most popular and widely used inline filters for RV owners. With over 20,000 positive reviews, it's a trusted solution for removing chlorine, sediment, and unpleasant tastes from campground water supplies. This filter features a high-flow design and a granulated activated carbon GAC core, enhanced with KDF to inhibit bacterial growth. The setup is plug and play. Just connect it to your hose and you're good to go. The 40043 model lasts up to 3 months, making it ideal for short-term or seasonal RV users. Its affordability, reliability, and NSF certifications make it a no-brainer for anyone who wants a clean and hassle-free water solution on the road. Next is the RVGUARD INLINE RV water filter, which comes in a convenient 4-pack. This is a great choice for those who camp frequently or want backups on hand without having to reorder. Like the CAMCO model, the RVGUARD filters reduce chlorine, rust, sediment, and odors, providing better tasting water directly from your hose connection. Each filter comes with a flexible hose protector to prevent strain on your plumbing. The filters are compatible with standard garden hoses, which makes them not just ideal for RVs, but also for boats, gardening, and pet water station. With a solid 4.5-star rating and dependable performance, RVGUARD gives you peace of mind and great value in one package. For those looking for a little more quality in their water purification, the AQUA CREST RV Inline water filter is another strong contender. Also sold in a 4-pack, this filter goes a step further with its multi-stage filtration process, targeting contaminants such as chlorine, heavy metals, and VOCs. AQUA CREST filters are NSF certified and come with anti-kink hose protectors for durability. Users report a noticeable difference in taste and clarity, especially when dealing with municipal or questionable campground water supplies. The filter life is comparable to CAMCO's, around 3 months, but AQUA CREST edges ahead in filtration precision. This makes it an excellent option for families or full-time RVers who prioritize water quality across all usage points, from drinking to cooking to showering. If simplicity and speed are your priorities, check out the CLEARSOURCE inline water filter. This filter is known for its fast installation and high-quality results. It uses solid carbon block filtration instead of the more common GAC filters, offering superior reduction of chlorine, sediment, and unpleasant odors. The CLEARSOURCE filter uses a 1-micron filter size, tighter than many other inline options, which means it can trap smaller particles. It also has an ergonomic grip for easy connection and disconnection, a detail many RVers appreciate when setting up or packing down at a campsite. Though it has a shorter lifespan of about 2 months, its performance is rock solid, and it's especially useful for those who want immediate improvement in water clarity and flavor. Rounding out the list is the ClearSource Ultra RV water filter system, a premium 3-stage filtration setup that's built for serious travelers. This is not your average inline filter. This is a complete external filtration system that sits between your RV and the water source. What sets ClearSource apart is its VirusGuard 3rd-stage filter, which is engineered to eliminate viruses, bacteria, and cysts, adding an extra layer of safety, especially when using water from unfamiliar or rural sources. The first 2 stages handle sediment and chemical contaminants with precision. The stainless steel fittings and powder-coated frame ensure this unit lasts season after season. While the upfront cost is higher, the ClearSource Ultra is ideal for full-timers, off-grid adventurers, or anyone who doesn't want to take chances with water quality.